Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we're looking at a brand new 2021 Forest River ROCKWOOD GEO Pro 19 FD. Murphy bed you see here, nice light interior, bathroom in the back. We did equip this with a solar panel, 12-volt fridge. You got a dinette for a second sleeping area, so sleep 3 comfortably. No slide out, great off-road package. Let's get started, take a look. Guys, remember, give me a quick thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, that bell. The bell will give you a heads up every time I put a new camper, RV, motorhome on. Be the first one to see new decors, new options, so make sure you hit that bell. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. Alright, sitting in the front, looking back, you see the kitchen on the right, dinette, controls, your AC, TV in the back, door to the bathroom, tub shower with the overhead skylight, your sink, toilet, good storage, max air fan with a cover on the roof. Looking towards the front, you see the Murphy bed, nice light cabinetry. I'll show you a setup and breakdown of that Murphy bed. Also, look down below. I've got a link to another video that shows setup and breakdown of 3 or 4 different Murphy beds, comparing each of them. So make sure you take a look at that. Right, for the Murphy bed, before we do that, you do have footrests that pop out. Very comfortable. Drops down just like a jackknife sofa. You got 2 locks. And you're all down just like that, ready for sleeping. The straps remove, but they do hold the comforter in place. Makes it a little bit more easy to secure these so they're not falling back down. And when the bed is in the down position, you have the windshield there. That does have a shade, but lets in some good light. All right, so putting it back up, there's a lock bar you pull here. Lock it in place. And then you're all set back up for normal seating. You got the ledges on either side. You got receptacles, charging stations. So very comfortable. One nice thing about this is a solid mattress. No crease. It's not 3 foam blocks. It's a real mattress that folds up into here. So very comfortable when in the down position. And you can leave it down. And you do have access to get by the bed if you want to leave it down all the time. Storage on either side. Little hanging area. As soon as you walk in, your control area, you can do the one-touch control, sync your phone to that, control the awning, your lights, everything from one location. Check your holding tanks. We do have tank heaters on this, so electric heat pads directly on the tanks. Overhead storage. RV Technologies, you can sync your phone to that. Control the zones, your speakers. You also have a Wi-Fi Ranger, so a Wi-Fi booster. Basically, you have your own password to control that. TV has a built-in DVD player. We did equip this with a solar panel, so control the solar panel all from right here. It is Bluetooth ready. Check your voltage, everything from one easy location. That solar panel does control your 12-volt refrigerator, so very nice, good size refrigerator in a small camper. Stainless steel microwave. Exhaust for your range, does exhaust outside. Important in a camper this size. 3-burner range, huge oven. Again, this size camper, normally you don't see that. Stainless steel sink, nice rounded spray head. Flush mount cover gives you some extra countertop space, and they also give you countertop extension as well. Nice drawers. Drawers down low. Drawers under the dinette. This also gives you a second sleeping area. I'll show you the setup and breakdown of that. Alright, on the setup and breakdown of the booth dinette, pretty standard. You got one post, you got 2 brackets on the wall. Lift up, you can remove that post, rest it right down on the lips. Drop the cushions down and you got your bed. So comfortably, you're going to sleep 3 people in this camper. Setting it back up. This is also the best way for it to travel in the down position. There's no chance of it popping out, falling, moving. Very secure this way. Utilize the Velcro tabs for these cushions. You heard the Velcro there. Those Velcro tabs on these ledges make it a little bit more secure when it's down. Slide right in place and you're all set back up, ready to eat. Roller shades. They do black out the camper. Let's work our way outside and take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, we got the awning out. Nice automotive windshield on the front. Power tongue jack. 2 20-pound LP bottles. A nice cover. 7-pin and chain holder. The 19 FD has a dry weight of 3,202 pounds. Spot for 2 batteries. Docking light right up front. And control right here. Nice storage areas. A small storage bin here. Holds all your goodies. Another storage area here. The box is your griddle. I'll show you that on the other side. All 4 corner manual stabilizer jacks. Check out the link below. I'll show you maintenance and setup of those. Hot and cold outside shower. Frameless windows. There's the exhaust for that range hood. Nice off-road tires. We're looking at our 15-inch tires. 30 amp service. Nice location for your black and gray pool valves. Moving to the back, the factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Taking a look at the roof, you see your AC, that solar panel, TV antenna, max air vent cover, a skylight over your shower, attic vent, top of that awning. You are prepped for a backup camera. Your water, cable, black tank flush, all located in one convenient area. Adjust the pitch, so pull down the awning arm and you can dump it or adjust where your water runs off on that awning. Another storage bin. Outside, your hot water heater. In this storage area, you've got your water filtration. A rack here on the side holds that griddle, and then a prep table here. Outside speakers, LED lights in that awning. Step above entry steps fold right up into the camper, nice and clean. Large assist handle. Remember, we are looking at Asdel. Fiberglass on the exterior, keyless entry, nice logo right there, entry door, more storage. I mentioned the solar panel on the roof, but you are prepped for a portable solar panel as well, which will trickle charge those batteries when you're hooked up there. So brand new 2021 Forest River ROCKWOOD GEO Pro 19 FD. Guys, listed down below, I put some links to some other videos if you're looking to go a little larger, a little smaller, different floor plans, sleep a little bit more. So check down below. I've also got some links to the manual jacks, so make sure you take a look there, and also a link to a video on several different Murphy beds so you can see a variety of brands and how they do the Murphy bed just for comparison. So make sure you check the links down below. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV.